This has been my kitchen for the past few weeks. Just been really sick. Finally able to cook and clean and get some things done. So let's see if we can get this all tackled and cleaned in a few minutes, hopefully not hours, because I have to get dinner started and this is ridiculous. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited to see the after. So here we go. Hopefully we can get this done. That's my hope. So here comes nothing. I'm excited, so let's see what I can do. So first things first, I'm gonna try to see if I can clear up this counter. The dishwasher is already emptied out. So I'm gonna go get started with this island here because, like, oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. This is craziness. Like, my house has never been this crazy. So I need to get this tackled. So oh my goodness, I hope I can do it. I am freaking out. It is stressing me out. But I'm all here for it. So here we go. In the meantime, I also need to meal prep. I have to get some things going. The dishwasher. I can cook in the dirty kitchen. It just sucks that I haven't been able to clean like I normally do. But now that I have some energy, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this before I meal prep for the day, get dinner going. Normally I love listening to music, but today I just want to go ahead and get things going. So no music. All I'm going to be doing is clearing all of this out. This is ridiculous. Just being plain out ridiculous. So hopefully this inspires some of you guys to get up, because I needed all the inspiration I could to get this going. And I'm glad I'm able to get up and do it today, because I hate seeing my kitchen like this, but when you've been sick, you have no other choice but to just get well first and just seeing my house like this was just a big motivation for me, just to be like, you know what, I'm ready to feel better. Just have it to smelling good. Because when the house is dirty, your whole house, it has this stench about it. And it's just so disgusting. But once it's cleaned and picked up, it is all good. So I've been looking, I'm a huge fan of candles. I've been looking for any good candle suggestions. So if you guys have any good suggestions, you guys can drop it in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. Just need some inspirational candle smells. I do have a couple of them. Normally I light those up when I'm like cleaning or just to kind of get the space all smelling good, but today I'm just in a rush to get things going so I can start meal prepping for dinner. So maybe once I have this counter space all cleared up, maybe we can go ahead and light the candle. Just get some good smelling energy going. Because, oh my God, this is ridiculous. I'm so upset at myself for letting things go this bad, but like they say, once it goes bad, it can only get better. So it's already looking much, much better. I can't wait to show you guys some of the progress that I've made so far. And so far, I've picked up. How do you guys load your